trouble.
So we're here in Prahran on Greville Street, and we're checking out this robot Spaceland thing. It's like Transformers. Kind of reminds me of the Gundam in Odaiba, Japan. So hopefully it's cool.
So this one here is called Spaceship. We'll have a look at it from the front. Millions of light years from home, the spaceship touches down on Earth while on an interplanetary journey of discovery. Custom projection mapped visuals tell the story of life in its home galaxy and shares this with the people of the Earth. Let's check it out.
Okay, so apparently this is supposed to turn on and have some lights and all that, but I guess we're early. The sun's still out. The sun's still out till like 8:30 usually in summertime Australia, or let's just say summertime Melbourne. But we're in this really cool neighborhood. I've been here before, done a vlog about the world's smallest DJ booth. We're in Prahran, and it's such a cool, hip little neighborhood on the other side of the river. And TJ's getting all kinds of nostalgic vibes from when she was young, partying here. Not to say she's old, but you know. And we're just taking the kids, and hopefully this one will be on by the time we get back. But we're gonna go check out the other ones too.
Of scrap metal.
Yes, it does.
A band of workers' sentient bots.
It does look like dino trucks. But those are
their
not.
Transformation complete. They must finish their mission to help the people of Earth learn how to save their planet. So Robot Spaceland is an art installation that's been put on here in the city of Stonington, and it's made of upcycled scrap metal and other building materials, and set up with light show and music. And it's fun for all the kids to see. Yes, some of it does move.
This is the last one here. Quite impressive. It actually is pretty cool.
EcoBot. Made largely of upcycled materials, EcoBot is the ultimate recycling machine. Crushing cars to create building blocks for a new city. Self-generating the power needed to sustain the work here on Earth, she commands a band of worker bots. Towering 17 meters above the cityscape, EcoBot looms overhead, lights illuminated.
Spaceland, Prahran, it's been fun. We're gonna head home now. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.